full of class and glam ang GMA Gala 2024 kagabi na dinaluhan ng Kapuso and Sparkle stars, executives, and personalities. Silipin yan sa aking chika. Glitz, glam, and style. The stars definitely aligned at the GMA Gala 2024. Truly one of the biggest gathering of the year. Stand out sa red carpet ang Sparkle and Kapuso stars in their black, white, and sparkling fits. Respetadong executives, pati anchors and reporters ng GMA Integrated News. Kabilang sa mga nagbukas ng programa, si Asia's Limitless star Julian San Jose na nag-flex ng kanyang vocal prowess at powerhouse dance moves nina Raver Cruz, Miguel Tan Felix at Rochelle Pangilinan. Present sa gala ang GMA executives sa pangunguna ni GMA President and CEO Gilberto Arduavit Jr., Executive Committee Chairman Joel G. Jimenez, Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong, at GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Bukod sa pagdiriwang ng 74th anniversary ng GMA Network, itinuturing din ang gala bilang Thanksgiving party para sa mga biyayang natanggap ng network.
People ask us, what is the secret behind the longevity and success of GMA? The answer is right here in this ballroom. You are the reason for our success. Our journey was made possible only because we stand in the shoulders of the brightest stars, exceptional creatives, excellent professionals, valued partners, and our beloved viewers.
Awards were given last night para sa efforts ng Kapuso stars. Sina Kylie Padilla at David Licauco ang Best Dressed Stars of the Night. Young Stars of the Night, sina Sofia Pablo at Allen Ansay. Ang real-life couples na Julie Ver. Pati ang Isagel Duo, ang Couples of the Night. Korean oppa Kim Jisoo got the Red Carpet Scene Stealer Award. Hall of Famers naman sina Alden Richards, Bea Alonso, Dingdong Dantes, Marian Rivera at Heart Evangelista. Nakuha naman nina Andrea Torres, Sanya Lopez, Barbie Fortesa, Kailin Alcantara, Bianca Omali at Ruru Madrid ang Sparkle Choice Awards. Present din ang It's Showtime hosts led by Vice Ganda. First time din kinanta ng live ni Julian ang bagong Kapuso theme song.
Ang sarap ng feeling na everyone is here. So I think ito yung bonding or lahat tayo magkakasama, not just GMA but all of our partners.
Dumalo rin ang mga kilalang executives at personalidad mula sa larangan ng telebisyon, negosyo at gobyerno, kabilang si First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos. On its third year, beneficiary pa rin ng GMA Gala ang GMA Kapuso Foundation. Itinurn over kagabi ang donation para makatulong sa students and educators across the country. Tinanggap ito ni GMA Kapuso Foundation Executive Vice President and COO Ricky Escudero Katibog. Mga Kapuso, maging updated sa showbiz happenings anumang oras. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. At para sa mga Kapuso abroad, bisitahin ang GMA Pinoy TV at www.gmanews.tv.